Hello. Hello, Piper. Hello. It's me. It's your daddy. I thought I would make a video of some of your favorite things. And you can watch this video when daddy's not in the house, okay? I thought we'd do some of your favorite things like reading books, maybe playing outside, maybe some singing and some dancing. But I'm thinking first we should start with some coloring and some drawing. Do you want to do some coloring and drawing? Yeah, me too. Okay, come follow me. I've drawn a picture of Paddington Bear. Let's colour in Paddington. So he has a red hat. Just like this. And he has a blue coat. Just like this. He looks very nice and blue. And next, his fur is an orange colour. To his hands and his legs. Just like this. Don't forget his Paddington face. Oh, I think I missed a bit of his shirt. That one's in blue. Just like that. And last, he looks like he's holding a briefcase. We're going to do brown for that one. That was some good colouring. And this is Paddington Bear.
Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo, I love you. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarinky dinky dink, skidamarinky doo, I love you.
1 apple. 2 pears. 3 blueberries. 4 strawberries. And 5 oranges. Yum, yum.
We're ready, Bingo! This is gonna be fun! Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing this for my kids.
Oh, Andy. Gentle pats for Andy. Gentle pats for Andy. Nice and gentle on his back and on the back of his head. Nice, gentle. And now that we've had a play outside, it's time to wash our hands. First we get the soap. Then we turn the water on. And go rub, 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 rub. Rub, 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 rub. Get between the fingers. And wash, 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 wash. Wash, 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 wash. Make some bubbles. Water off. And then we get the towel. And dry, dry, dry. Dry, 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 dry. And just like that, all clean and fresh.
Bananas in the mist at Tommy doorstairs. Bananas in the mist at Tommy doorstairs. Bananas in the mist at Tasty Teddy Bear. Just the time.
Today we're going to be reading The Things I Love About Family, written by Trace Moroney. The Things I Love About Family. I love my family, and these are the things that I love the most. My mother, my father, my sister, our dog Poppy, my brother, and our cat Oscar. We do lots of things together, and being with my family makes me feel safe and really, really loved. They take care of me and understand my feelings. Mum and Dad are good at helping me work out the right way to do things and how to make good choices. If I have a problem, I know they are always there to listen and to help me. Mum and Dad are also good at telling me when I do something wrong or naughty. Sorry. When I have been naughty, I know that they still love me, but they just don't like my behavior or what I did. Mum and Dad help everyone in my family feel loved, accepted, a sense of belonging, trusted, valued, respected, confident, safe and secure, and special. We talk about what these words and feelings mean in different ways that we can show these feelings to each other. Some families are really big, and some families are middle-sized, and others are really small. My family is part of a much larger family. I have grandmothers and grandfathers, aunties and uncles, and lots of cousins. We often share special times together, like Christmas dinner, picnics in the park, and our famous family Easter egg hunt. I feel special being a part of my family. Mum and Dad tell me how much they love me and that they're proud of me and give me lots of hugs. It makes me feel strong and more confident about being me. I love my family. In my family, we always love and support and care for each other, no matter what, and that's what makes us a family. I love my family. Let's do some shapes together. Circle. Cross. Circle. Triangle. Square. Square. Triangle. Star. cross, and star. Okay, now that we're all finished, let's pack up our toys. Wow, that was a big fun time that we had together. We did so many things. Oh my gosh, we got to play with some shapes and we got to do some counting. We did so many things together. That was so much fun. I can't wait to play with you again next time. But for now, I'm gonna have to say goodbye, okay? So, bye-bye, Piper. Bye. I'll play with you next time. Bye-bye.